everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. In today's menu we're going to make the cauliflower and the carrot salad, and it's going to be in the tahini dressing. It's a refreshing and a healthy bite to have, especially for summer time. So now let's begin. We're gonna peel the carrot, chop both ends, and now we're gonna slice it in half and go with a little bit on an angle, and let's slice it about 1/4 inch thick. So we're gonna slice them all. Now in the meantime, make sure your water boiling, and we're gonna put the carrot first. Before I put the carrot, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon salt. Carrot goes in. Now for the cauliflower, here we're gonna separate the floret, and each floret we're gonna cut it a bite size. This one will be perfect. And I didn't use the whole cauliflower, I used half of it. Now we're gonna wait for the carrot to be halfway cooked, then we add the cauliflower. Let's check the carrot. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the cauliflower, and make sure you always prepare an ice bath. Whenever it's ready, go straight to an ice bath. Cauliflower doesn't take long. As soon as the water comes back to boil, it takes like a minute and a half maximum. And as you see here, they're ready. Turn off, bring the ice bath, and go straight into the ice bath. Here we go. Now in the meantime, we're gonna leave it to cool down a little bit, so we're gonna prepare the tahini dressing. Here you go. Now we're gonna mince the garlic. So I'm using 3 cloves garlic here. Salt, and let's smush them. That's exactly what we need. Now we're gonna transfer the garlic into a bowl. I'm adding here the tahini. Tahini, it's the sesame paste, a lemon juice, salt and pepper. And now here I have ice water, and make sure if it's not ice water, make sure it's a cold water. And you keep adding water till you reach the point where how you want it, thick or thin. So to me, this is perfect. Now let's put everything together, mix it, and ready to be served. Carrot cauliflower goes in, and tahini dressing on top. Perfect. Put it on the side. Now I want to add a little green, so I'm adding here some chives, and chives rough chop. You give it a quick mix. What they call it, the best. So cauliflower and carrot, all yours to enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.